Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on the XY guys. What am I expecting on the XY? I'm just gonna do a quick recap on my previous analysis on the XY. What am I expecting? If you remember vividly well, I said I'm expecting the XY to push to the upside or the downside depending on how it's broke the structure right here. We can see that we broke the trend line right here with this candle right here. I was expecting a retest around my 78.6% fib level, which was like this breakout channel right here, before we now continue to push the upside. But as we can see that it's actually moved down to give us somewhat of a W pattern, and you know that is a reversal pattern around reversal pattern around my fib level. And we can see that after then we saw this engulfing candle, so that was like um a place for us to like, okay, that's giving us more momentum of the buy. So I entered the trade around this area right here, which is my 78.6% fib level, because we saw this break of structure. This candlestick broke this zone right here and it came back to retest the zone, so that was like a perfect way to take the trade. We can see from here to my TP right here is about 74 right here. So we can see that that was a beautiful one around that area right here, and we can see that we still started pushing up, and at least we push up to my second TP, which is 1629. But I went away, I took my profit off of my negative 27% fib level, because that's most of the time where I do take my TP out. And if you remember, I said if you break this trailer, if you break this zone already, and I see a retest around the zone, then this will be a possible push to the downside, and that will be my target. So now that we are done with this previous analysis, I'm going to delete it and reanalyze based on the current price marker. Let's see. So now what are we looking for right now? I want to delete this one. So now I want to actually delete all this though, just to look at the overall picture. So let's just delete it and look at the overall picture. Let me go to a bigger time frame and do a possible top down analysis just to see what we are looking at on the XY guys. So we can see that the XY on the daily time frame is still giving me a bullish momentum around this area right here. So I can draw a new trend from here to here. This a daily trend from here to here. Change the color, so we can draw this as a new trend because of how we are seeing that engulfing candle right there. That shows the bull and in the market, especially the fact that it's a bigger time frame, a 4-hour time frame. Now I can draw another trend from here to here right here. Okay, I'm gonna draw another one from here to here. So now based on this that we are looking right now, let's adjust this one here. So I'm expecting a bit of a reversal. There's a possibility that we might reverse a little bit, so I'm going to introduce my fib from point A to point B. I'm going to extend it to first gold. Okay, let's see how this play out. So right around here, so I think we might push down to this area right here, which is my 78.6% fib level, before we now continue to actually push to the upside, and my target to be around this level right here. So if we continue to see a reversal around this area. Let's see how the momentum goes. But I think we might push down here to at least around this area right here before we now continue to push to the upside, which will be my first target here. Then if I still see more momentum around this area, then this will be my second target. And don't forget, I still have this my overall 61.8% fib level target, which is 107.453 around this area. But that is like the overall target that I'm looking to. Let's take one step at a time. So now let's see. So let's see if this would be a reversal point, because it hasn't solidified a reversal point for me. I still need more push to the downside for me to look for it. So let's see, this will be my first point of interest right here. Right around here is my first point of interest, right? But there's can also be a point of interest right here. So sometimes you just have to, like I used to say, you just have to be a little bit more open-minded to see, because this is where there is a break of structure around this area right here, and it hasn't retested it here, which is around my 50% fib level. So there's a possibility we might actually get there, then we might reverse to the upside. Then if I still see more solid push to the downside here, then this will be my second point of interest. So my first point of interest is 50% fib level, and my second point of interest, POI, is my 78.6% fib level around there. So like I said, we might just continue to come here, then push to the upside. So let's see how that plays. So right now I still want to see more momentum to know that this is giving me like a reversal area right here, but I think we might actually start reversing here. But let's see how that plays out, guys. So let me just draw my scenario right there. I think we might come here, then push here, like I said, or we might still come here, give me something like this, then push here, change the color of that. So that is my thought on let me extend this a little bit. So that is my thoughts on the XY, guys. Hope you find it helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.